two. I hope you're well and you had a really good weekend and are looking forward to this week's fun home learning. We have got lots of exciting things for you, and I know that you're all going to be coming in soon to meet your new Year 3 teachers. So you must listen out and look out for Mrs. Burnett's transition planning, that she's done some really exciting things for you. So in English this week, we're going to look closely at the two books that you have read and were learning about, The Superworm and Room on the Broom. And you're going to do a book review on them and think about what's the same and what's different, and think about really how Julia Donaldson has written them. On the next days, you are going to be starting a new book called The Owl Who Is Afraid of the Dark. And this book has been written by someone called Jill Tomlinson, and she has written some lovely books. But this book in particular has a character called Plop in it, who is an owl. And you are going to be writing a letter to Plop to give him a bit of advice as to how you would tell him to get over his anxiety about being afraid of the dark. So that's going to be a couple of days. And then on the last day, you're going to create your own text map of the story, ready to imitate the story the following week. So have fun doing all that. I can't wait to see all your English writing. Over to you, Mrs. Potter, who's in the Harry Potter. Where are you, Mrs. Potter?
I'm in the Harry Potter, the one shop in Harry Potter.
One shop. I can't remember his name. Mr. something. Ollivander. Yeah, that's it.
So in maths this week, you're going to be learning about maths and how heavy things are and how light things are, and also looking at volume. So we've got a few fun activities for the afternoon where you can use those skills that you've learnt in maths. So you can do some baking, making sure you're weighing out the ingredients properly, and then also have a go at making a fruit cocktail. Again, measuring, thinking about how many millilitres of maybe apple juice or orange juice you'd put into your cocktail. So we look forward to seeing your concoctions. Wonder what you're going to put into yours. Have fun. Over to you, Mrs. Burnett.
Thanks, Mrs. Potter. So guys, I hope you've had a lot of fun this week. I know the weather isn't quite as good as it was last week, but I hope you've still been really busy, having lots of fun, as well as doing your brilliant home learning. So I just wanted to talk to you about art. And this week you're learning about a British artist who uses recycled, reusable materials. And I want you to look through all of your junk in your house, things that you would normally throw away in the recycling bin. And I want you to see if you could create a sculpture using those things. So have a look at that lesson and please send us some emails of your brilliant creations. And I also want to talk to you about the transition lessons this week. It's really important, children, that you have a really good look at those. There's one where we'd like you to think about all the things you've done in Year 2, and we'd like you to write a letter to the Year 1 children, so that then when they come up to Year 2, they will be fully informed about what life is like in Year 2. And we're going to get those letters to those children somehow, in some form. It might be that we make a display out of your lovely letters. So please email them to us so we can do something brilliant with them. There's another transition lesson as well, children, and I need you to look at that. There's a map of the school, and I want you to see if you can answer my fun quiz questions and see if you can orienteer yourself around the junior school building. So have fun, and I hope to see you soon on Move Up Day.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.